to drawing is going to be of Elsa, the Ice Queen. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper going up and down like this, and I would start with a pencil first and then trace over it in marker. But I'm going to start with a marker so you guys can see the lines a little bit better. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to start up towards the top and in the middle with Elsa's cheek and part of her chin. So I'm just going to start right up here, and I'm going to make a slight curve down and then make the bottom of her chin just like that. So a very soft C is what I'm going to start. Alright, and then from there I'm going to kind of decide, go a little bit more, and then I'm going to make a straight line up. And that's going to be part of her hair. So from this line, I'm going to do a soft C and connect it down. And then another soft line and connect it down. And now we're going to start making her wavy bangs. So from this line here, I am going to go out, flick it out, and bring it to a point. And I'm going to do the same thing right here. Make a curve and go out. And then from here, connect it together. Alright, and then I'm going to make this line go straight down, and I'm going to make her ear. So curve for an ear, just like that. And then from the ear, I'm going to go out again and connect it together like that. Alright, then where the ear is, I'm going to make a line that goes straight down like that. I'm not going to connect it. And now we're going to start making her braid. So from the middle of this line, I'm just going to go out and come back in. And now I'm going to kind of make a little point. And then from here, I'm going to make like little, almost hearts. And they're going to slowly get smaller and smaller. So little hearts. Until I make them small, I'm going to make a little rectangle for the ponytail. And then I'm going to kind of make a little curve at the end. Now in between these hearts, I'm just going to make a little line so it looks like part of the braid, like that. Alright, and kind of make the little hearts a little bit more dramatic if you want. Alright, and we have Elsa's braid. Alright, now from here I'm going to make a little C, backward C, to show the inner part of her ear. Awesome. And now right here by her chin, I'm going to make a straight line down for her neck. And then I'm going to go around, and that's going to be her shoulder and her arm. On this side, I'm going to start from her braid and make a line down, kind of curves out. And that's going to be her back arm. I'm going to follow this line and finish her back arm like that. And now I'm going to make her waist, straight line down, and over here, curve and straight line down like that. Now we're going to make her big, beautiful gown. So what I'm going to do is make a line straight down, but this one, I'm going to make a diagonal line going out like that. And then to kind of make the waves in her dress, I'm going to do a line like that and connect it, and a line like that. So it kind of is showing some waves in her dress. her dress so far. All right, now I'm going to finish with this arm. So here I'm going to make a V to show her elbow, and then I'm going to follow that with another line like that. So our hand's going to be up like this. All right, now I'm going to do the hands. Hands are really tricky, so you might have to pause the video and erase and try again. So hands are very tricky. So what I'm going to do with the hand is I'm not going to show all the fingers. So I'm going to just make a line like that and show one finger like that. And then I'm going to make the thumb, kind of show the thumb like that. And then I'm going to just slightly connect and make another finger like that. So I'm just going to show part of the finger. And then a curved line to show where her sleeve ends. Now down below, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to make a curved line to show the thumb. And then another curved line to show one finger. And then slightly behind there, I'm going to show another finger. And then again, make a line to show the sleeve. Awesome. All right, now up by her shoulders, I'm going to do 2 curves to show her sleeve. And then I'm going to do another curve to show the top of her dress right there. And now I'm going to make a little bit extra the sheer part of her dress. So coming from right underneath her arm, I'm going to make a line out like that. And then same thing, coming kind of out from her hand, I'm going to make a line that goes out a little bit. And then from her ponytail, I'm going to go straight down and make this part a little wavy. So that's going to be like the sheer light part of her dress. All right, now I'm going to make the snowflake and the magic coming from her hands. So to make a snowflake, I'm going to make an X like that. And then I'm going to make a line through the middle of it like that. And then I'm going to just make some pointy triangles in between. So kind of like that. And then I'm going to make some more pointy lines coming from there. Have fun with a snowflake. Just keep adding diamonds or triangles or lines. Just really make the snowflake your own. And then from her hand, and I might add a couple little dots here. There we go. And then from her hand, I'm going to make 2 little swirls. So swirl out once, swirl out again, and then maybe at the top, make a big swirl. Again, add some dots. Something fun. Make the magic your own. All right, now we are going to do Elsa's face. This part's a little tricky, but Elsa has big, beautiful eyes. So I'm gonna make a big oval there and a big oval there. So she's got big, beautiful eyes. And then from there, I'm going to trace over my line and give her some eyelashes. Like that. And then I'm going to add a line for her eyebrow. Like that. I'm just going to give her like a little pointy nose. And then a mouth. So for her mouth, I'm going to make a line. And then top part of the lip, just going to do 2 little curves out. And then another curve for her lower part of her lip. And now I'm going to make her eyes. So for her eyes, I'm going to do 2 big half circles, like that. And then another half circle, like that. So those are her big, beautiful eyes, and I'll color those in later. So here is my Elsa so far, and now I'm going to color her in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 3 different blues. So a really light blue, a medium blue, and a darker blue. And what I'm going to do is just color the sheer part of her dress and the other 2 parts with 2 different blues. So with a really light blue, I'm going to color in her sleeves. Alright, color in her sleeves. And then with a dark blue, I'm going to color in the first part of the dress that we drew. Color all that in. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Have fun with it. And of course, if you drew it in pencil, you can pause the video and trace over it in marker. Alright. Now I have her colored in her dress. Alright, and now I'm going to take that medium blue and color in that sheer part of the cape part of her dress. I'm going to color it in here. And then color over all of it. Over here. Just like that. So I have her dress. And then, if you want, I'm going to color in this part of Elsa's eye, the skinny part, with a little blue. And then I'm going to color the rest in black, except for a little circle to make a little highlight in her eye. So I'm going to color it all, but a little white circle to make that highlight in her eye, kind of like that. Alright, now if you want, you can color her little ponytail blue. And then her hair is almost like a light blonde white. So with a yellow, I'm going to just very lightly color her hair just to give it a little color. And there you go. Alright. And then I'm going to color in her hands, again very lightly. Alright, and then if you have a silver, I found this really cool silver Sharpie. So what I might do is just go over my snowflake in silver or in this cool silver Sharpie. Make it a little more magical. Alright. And here we have Elsa.